How to create a Discord account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to connect with friends, join communities, or dive into gaming, today I'm going to show you how to create Discord account on your iPhone in just few easy steps. So let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and then open the App Store. Once in the App Store, you need to type in the search bar Discord. And you need to tap on Get to download it. If you have already installed it, just make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. You will see the welcome screen. Tap on Register to create a new account. Now, you will have two options for the registration. You can use your phone number or your email address. For this tutorial, I'll use my email address, so go ahead and enter your mail. Now tap Next. Once you have done that, you will need to create a display name. This is how others will see you on Discord. So go ahead and choose something fun. After that, you need to tap on Next. Now you need to create your password. Now you need to tap on Next. Once you have done that, you need to select your birthday month. Keep in mind that you will need to be at least 13-year old in order to use Discord. Simply enter your birthday month. And once you have done that, tap on Confirm and then tap on Create your account. Great. Now you will need to verify your account. Simply confirm it. And that's it. Your account is now created. Now you can personalize your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture and then click on gear icon to access to your settings. Don't forget to verify your email address, and that's it. You have successfully created your Discord account. Now you can start chatting with your friends, joining server and exploring all that Discord has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.